Arthritis can be a painful and debilitating condition, but there are many natural remedies that can help alleviate symptoms and improve quality of life. Here are some of the most effective natural remedies for arthritis relief. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a powerful anti-inflammatory compound called curcumin, which can help reduce joint pain and inflammation. 2. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and stiffness in the joints. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil can help reduce inflammation and promote joint health. 4. Acupuncture. Acupuncture involves inserting small needles into specific points on the body to stimulate healing and reduce pain. 5. Massage therapy. Massage can help reduce stress, promote relaxation, and improve joint mobility. 6. Yoga. Yoga combines physical movement with deep breathing and meditation to reduce stress and improve joint flexibility. 7. Boswellia. Boswellia, also known as frankincense, has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint pain and inflammation. 8. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an herb that can help reduce stress and anxiety, which can exacerbate arthritis symptoms. 9. Capsaicin. Capsaicin, found in chili peppers, can help reduce pain by blocking the production of a chemical called substance P. 10. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar may help reduce inflammation and promote joint health. 11. Glucosamine and chondroitin. These two supplements can help promote joint health and reduce pain and inflammation. 12. MSM, methylsulfonylmethane. MSM is a natural sulfur compound that can help reduce pain and inflammation. 13. Arnica. Arnica oil or cream can be applied topically to reduce pain and inflammation. 14. Willow bark. Willow bark contains salicin, a compound similar to aspirin, which can help reduce pain and inflammation. 15. Devil's claw. Devil's claw is a plant that has anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. 16. Olive oil. Olive oil contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce joint pain and inflammation. 17. Heat and cold therapy. Applying heat or cold packs to the affected joints can help reduce pain and stiffness. 18. Epsom salt baths. Soaking in an Epsom salt bath can help reduce inflammation and promote relaxation. 19. St. John's wort. St. John's wort has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint pain and inflammation. 20. Ginger oil. Ginger oil can be applied topically to reduce pain and inflammation. Remember to consult with your doctor before trying any new remedies, especially if you're already taking medication. It's also important to note that while these remedies can help alleviate symptoms, they may not address the underlying causes of arthritis. A comprehensive treatment plan that includes medical care, lifestyle changes, and natural remedies can help manage arthritis symptoms and improve quality of life.
Thanks for watching. Please like video and subscribe channel.